welcome back to the channel. Y'all, today I'm still working on this 1992 Honda Accord 5-speed Coupe de Ville. Okay, on my previous video, guys, I was trying to figure out why it wasn't starting from the ignition switch. We got that taken care of. It was that clutch interlock switch up there had that rubber boot missing. But anyway, on my main relay fuel pump, this fuel pump relay right here that go right in here, plug in. I already did all the test procedures and test all the wires already, but the one I want to tell you about is here. You see, you got the little connector right here. This is pin 5 and 7, and you want to jump it from here, this pin to this pin, to bypass everything. So you just turn the ignition switch on, because pin 5 is supposed to be getting 12 volts on that pin anyway when you turn the switch to the on position. So you jumping across here and here, and you're supposed to hear your fuel pump come on. If it don't come on, then you got a bad wire going back to your fuel pump. And I know I got some bad wires here because I had already replaced them. The little critters ate them up. So I had to repair those wires with the butt connector. So right now, I'm getting ready to take the fuel tank down, because I can't even see my wires because they running on top of the tank. So I can't see it from up here. So I already got my little setup. About to get ready to go down under. So I already got everything lined up. Let's get up under there and see what we can see. Get down here. Oh, oh snap. Okay, so you got your little this is your hose right here that go to your gas, you know, for when you put gas in your car. And you got a clamp right here, so I got to get this clamp off, try to get the hose off. And we also, you got 2 straps to hold your gas tank up. This strap that run from here all the way to the back there. Then you got another one right here, run out to the back. And you also got screws up there. I don't know what size they is yet because I didn't put it on there yet. So I'm finna focus on taking off these lines over here, right over here first. All right, guys, I got this loose a little bit, and this is size 10, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. But I also got this cover right here that I gotta move. They size 10 on there. One of them is right there already unscrewed, but I got another one like over here somewhere. But I gotta take this little plastic cover down. And I swear trash just falling all down from under here. I did see it earlier. Okay, there it is. Cause I don't know that the lip of that tank went over there, I think, up behind this cover. So that's why I'm moving it out my way so I can see it. How long is this freaking screw? Okay, there it is. All right, got that. Okay, now I can see that. Let me see what else I gotta get over here. Oh yeah, you see how they onto the tank? You want to move them off the tank because you know your tank got to be lowered down. I'll probably just unhook those rubber lines right here so because this running up on the top of the tank, coming off the fuel pump itself, I'm sure. So I'll probably take these off here and here with some needle nose pliers. All right, guys, this part right here, this gas line right here, you have to unscrew it from here, which I'm gonna use adjustable because I don't have the right wrench size right now. And these bolts are the size 10. You gotta take this one and then loosen this up, because this right here is running on top of the tank. And then they got the 2 lines over here. I got my clamp off this one already, and I got the clamp, I mean not off, but push back. And I got the clamp off this one too, but they kind of a little hard to get off, guys. I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna wait till my husband come back, see if he can get them off for me. And cause he went to the store right quick. This is my little adjustable wrench. I'm gonna just put on now. See if I can loosen it before I take it loose. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. Ooh. Yeah, y'all gotta watch out. Little gas coming out, little bad gas. You know what I'm saying? This gas been sitting in here for I don't know how many years. It's freaking yellow. Yeah, y'all be careful. You know, don't light no match. Don't strike no lighter. But I'm just gonna go and take it out, and then take my other 2 screws out. Okay. Okay, I got that out. Y'all see? I got that off. So the best thing I like about this gas tank, you see this right here? It's got a drain plug on it. Finna take the straps down. The size is size 14 millimeter. Take this one all the way down right quick. Alright. Alright, that's one strap now. Just gonna bend it back out the way. We'll put the jet. Okay. Yeah, right now. And y'all don't want to bend the tank, you could put a piece of wood up there, but we got a rubber piece on top of our jack. Okay, help get a light, baby. Let me do the other one. All right, got one right here, guys. Gotta get this one. Make sure you have your jack under there. Okay, I'm gonna pop this one out here. Okay. Get it. Is it gonna clear over here my lines? Okay.
Drop the rats.
You gonna you gonna let it down here? Let the jack down. Oh. Well, for one, I still got this shield over there, but I ain't really worried about that. Okay. Oh, scared. Hold on, babe. Scared me. Hold on. That's good, but I don't see. Hold on. Let me turn around. Ooh. Ooh. Come on, y'all. The rat's been up here, that's for sure. But I can't see if my horn is messed up yet. Can you let it out there? Oh, shoot. These are the ones I had fixed earlier. Yeah, it's on that shield on the back.
You gotta slide it back towards you.
Okay, hold on. Let me get your light. Get it. Y'all kind of nuts up there, ain't it? But your fuel pump is inside here, you guys. Yeah, could be the fuel pump just not working. Cause the only wires that I did see was messed up was the ones running on here. I mean that's pump. Hold on. These was the wires that was messed up running the inside that I did repair. But so the fuel pump probably just bad because this harness is not even 8 and 2 or nothing. Look, it ain't got no gas in it like that, huh?
It's easy to work with it, standing straight up.
Easy on your back. So that's what I was saying. When they was up here, they just got to these wires on this one. Spread, do it again, man. Right over here. Unhook this inside the car. So guys, what we're gonna do is just go in here and take a look at this fuel pump because the wires on this end look pretty good. It's probably the fuel pump just is bad because it's been sitting for a long time.
16 years.
It's 16 years, bro. Cut it out. These are size 10 also, guys. I probably ain't gonna need to take these. I'll just pull the whole thing up. I gotta take those off though and unscrew them over here so the lines can come loose. Oh, I know it too. I took the screw up. Most all these screws up are 10, so. And I'm talking about the wire shoot. The pump itself just probably bad. Push the tab, get the pin now. That's a whole little harness. I can't pull it all the way up yet. God dang, hold on. God, y'all ain't gonna, hold on, y'all ain't gonna believe this. Ain't no way this pump gonna work. It was a bad wires because I did fix them over here because these was the ones, you know, that run over to, what, I think a fuel pump is yellow and black. Yeah, they're yellow. Yeah, yellow and black. And that's one of the ones that I had to repair right here too. Yeah, it got water in now. Wait till you look at it. Oh, you gotta take it out. I wanna take it out right now. Wait till you, I can do it.
I wouldn't work either.
Oh.
I would not work either. I try to.
Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. Somebody done peed in the tank. Hey.
I ain't got my flashlight out to show you.
Hold on. Where your flashlight, man? I gotta get this right here. Just let it sit right there. Just let it sit on the tank still. Man, I might gotta get a whole another assembly. Dang, there's so much rust up in that.
It's all down, man. Look on this side.
Golly. Dang. Oh, look at my assembly unit over there. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Can you see that?
You might well take that out.
Let me see.
I can take it out.
Look over here. Oh yeah, we need to take that out too. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna show y'all when we take this out. This rusted too, man. This. Wow. Hey y'all, don't let your car sit. I swear. I'm kind of. Oh, man. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, take the screwdriver and just, well, he already hit it around, but.
Hit it around, tap it. You know what I'm saying?
This the sending you know how to tell you how much gas you got.
You would take this out in the tank, you would have known.
Yeah, if I would have took it out. This the part, you can get to this part inside the car. Ain't nothing happening with that.
It's not good.
Yeah, right there.
Like you would tank.
No, it smells good. It smells like Kool-Aid.
I don't know what kind of Kool-Aid you drinking. Oh,
Smell
that
like
is
strawberry.
toasty.
Smell like strawberry Kool-Aid.
Look, I need to
Smell
hold
like
it up.
strawberry Kool-Aid.
Okay, guys, what we gotta do? I'm gonna have to get a new tank because it's too rusty up in here. It's too rusty in here. It's a tragedy in there. Even in here. I'll see all that rust in now. So rusty in there. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video, tell a friend. Ain't that right, side? Tell them to tell a friend. That's it for us today. I'm tired, but so I gotta get a whole new system. Whole new fuel system. Try to look for one online. I gotta get a tank, the fuel pump, the whole assembly, the fuel pump assembly, the whole little setup. This was a used
Peace, baby.
Get that, and I gotta get the sending unit because all this is rusty. So I gotta get all of that.
Hello, baby.
I gotta get all of that. So if y'all know where I can get it from for a good reasonable price, y'all drop it in the comments. Until then, y'all stay tuned on this project, and I'm out.